In my first year sitting NCA, in the geography exam, I came across the question, compare two natural environments. For one of the environments, I listed a nearby park in my neighbourhood, called Thompson's Bush. This is an area of native podocarp forest located in the city, which once would have completely covered Invercargill. The second environment I chose was Ulva Island, an island I had visited in the past while on holiday on nearby Stewart Island. Ulva Island is one of the southernmost, least modified bird sanctuaries in New Zealand. It is located 2 kilometres off the coast of Stewart Island in the protected waters of Patterson Inlet. The area is accessible only by water taxi from Golden Bay on a 10-minute trip and is a tourist hotspot as it is home to some of New Zealand's most endangered species that are no longer found on the mainland. Through predator control carried out over the last few decades by the Department of Conservation, Ulva Island is free from pests such as rats, cats, possums and stoats, which continue to wreak havoc on native species on the mainland. This has allowed the unique flora and fauna on Ulva Island to thrive. There are over 4.5 kilometres of gravelled tracks for visitors to explore, which only cover 1/3 of the island, to leave the rest undisturbed. This is a great example of sustainable tourism, as visitors are able to view wild animals while having a minimal impact on the wildlife and its surroundings. Ulva Island is a great example of the impact conservation can have on the environment, and also the tourism industry, as it brings to light the potential wildlife that could be in our forests. Thompson's Bush is a small area of native forest located in Invercargill. Sadly, it has not been sustained and has been neglected for many years. The area is littered with rubbish, has a polluted stream, and is overrun with weeds, which are choking native plants and trees. Very few bird species live in the bush, struggling to survive with predators overrunning their habitat. Introduced predators such as feral cats, rats, possums and stoats are thriving in the area due to the lack of predator control. Possums are not just predating on the birds, but they are also killing the trees, the giants of the forest, some of which are over 300 years old. It is hoped that this video will help inspire communities to take action on areas of native forest in their neighbourhoods, helping restore them so that species can thrive there, as they currently do on Ulva Island.